Queso fundido is one of my absolute favorite addictions. Now, usually it has a little chorizo in it, but I wasn't really in the mood for chorizo right now, so I've decided to fake the chorizo with chorizo spices. We'll start by cooking, and then I will tell you all about the flavors. So I'm going to heat a little bit of oil in a cast iron pan. And I'm using cast iron, first of all, it's one of my favorite things, but also because we're going to serve the fundido right out of this cast iron pan. So the first thing we're going to do is saute some tiny minced onions. You can use white or yellow. And some fresh minced garlic. All right. So let's talk a little bit about the spices that I'm using. I've got some chili powder, some smoked paprika, some regular paprika, a little bit of cumin, and finally some dried oregano. Once that is soft, go ahead and add cheese. So there's a lot of different cheeses that you can use in your queso fundido, but you want to just make sure that they're melting cheeses. And this is already starting to melt. It's getting all gooey all the way around the outside of the pan, which is what we're looking for. The last thing I'll add before it totally melts down is a little bit of these hatch chilies. And if you don't like things spicy, then don't use them. And this is something you're going to want to serve immediately. As soon as it's done melting, throw it in the middle of your friends or family table. Make sure you protect the cast iron and let them dip in and have some fun. I think our fundido is pretty much fundido. It is definitely melted. So let me just bring it back together, shut this off. And this is going to be a little bit hot. Bring this to the center. And look at that delicious, delicious gooiness. Let me show you how good this looks. Get that chip right in there. And that is what we're looking for, everybody. Queso fundido. Provecho. Yum.